Hello, friends. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. So today is a virtual day for my kids, and I decided to make them a simple spaghetti dish. Then they said, "Mommy, we want cheeseburgers because you haven't made them in 1 year." All right, guys, so we're making cheeseburgers today. All right, so we have golden brioche buns, some ground beef, green leaf lettuce, red onion, tomatoes, 1 egg, onion powder, garlic powder, my salt, 1 star cube, and black pepper. All right, so I went ahead and added everything to my meat. I'm adding my 1 egg and we'll give it a mix. The secret ingredient in this burger is that 1 star cube. It gives it a delicious flavor and amazing taste. I hope you try this recipe, and I'll make sure to list all the ingredients in my description. So my meat is mixed and everything is mixed in very well. I'll cover and put it in the refrigerator whilst we prep our sides or toppings. All right, so I washed my green leaf lettuce very well. All right, and then we are slicing our tomatoes. Not everybody likes tomatoes, but I'll have enough just in case. And then I like some red onion on my burgers. Okay, and then we'll set that on the side, and then we'll move on to make our sauce. So I have about a cup of mayonnaise. I'm adding about half a cup of ketchup, and then we'll mix everything. We'll mix it together, and that will be our sauce for the burgers and also for our French fries, which we'll have that on the side as well. So our sauce is done, and I'll also put it in the refrigerator. Now we'll begin to make our bacon. So these bacons are pre-cooked bacon. All right, so I'm using my indoor grill to get my bacon cooked, and also I'll be using the same grill for my burgers. I'll make sure to add a link, so just in case you like to purchase the same indoor grill, you can be able to get it from Amazon. Now it is time to shape our burgers. All right, so let's say I have about half a cup of a meat in my hand, burger meat in my hand. So what I'm doing is kind of shaping it into a circle. All right, and making sure that the sides are well shaped. And once you're while you're shaping, you want to also kind of use your palms to flatten it a little bit. Yes, just like the way I'm doing it. And you know, I'm not a perfect burger shaper, but I think I'm doing my best over here. All right, so you want to evenly shape the sides of the meat. All right, and whilst you're kind of turning and shaping it, you want to use both palms to kind of press on the meat. Yes, and this is how to shape a burger patty. All right, and I'm gonna repeat the same process again. And I have 6 burgers right here. Yes, we are 6 in the family. 5 is home, 1 is not home. So we'll make sure to keep 1 burger for the other person that's not home. Okay, so our burgers is looking good, and we'll get ready to put it on the grill because the kids are hungry. And we're having this for lunch today. All right, so now it's ready to grill. All right, so my indoor grill is hot, and the oil you see on the grill is all that oil from the bacon. So there was no need for me to spray my grill. Okay, so it's cooking and it's looking good, and I'll be cooking each side for about 5 minutes. Yes, and then I'm now beginning to turn it to cook for another 5 minutes. And then I'll close my grill so that the heat will cook the burger and the top of the burger will also brown a little bit. Yes, and just like, yep, just like that. And this grill actually is a 4-in-1 cooking. You can use it to make pancakes, to make anything that you want. Oh, look at that. Yes, so let's say the burger cooked for a total of about 10 minutes. Yes, 10 to 12 minutes. And now it is time to add our cheese, and we're using American cheese for our burgers. Once the cheese melts, I'll set my burger on the side and then cook the other 2 burgers that was left. So after my burgers was done, this is the mess it made on my grill. So I'm cleaning that up before I'll continue to make the other 2 burgers. All right, so I'll go ahead and spray my grill with canola oil and then place the other 2 burgers on there. There was one tiny meat that was left, so that is for whoever helps me clean up. Yes, so this way I'll get somebody to help me clean up after making making the burgers for them. All right, guys, so we'll equally cook this also for 5 minutes on each side, a total of 10 minutes. And then I'll also cover my grill so that it also cooks it very well. All right. Okay, and then we'll leave that also for about 5 minutes. And our burgers is done. I'll go ahead and add my cheese to just one. That with the cheese is mine. Okay, and then it is time to put the burgers on the bun. So I've pre-toasted my brioche buns, and then I'm adding the sauce, and then I'm making sure I'm very generous with the sauce because everyone loves the sauce. A simple mayonnaise and ketchup. Yes, just like the way I'm doing it. And then just one of the kids like lettuce and tomatoes. So I'll make it just like the way she likes it. And there's the cheeseburger on the tomato. Oh my God, it looks delicious. All right, and I'll be adding the bacon on top for everybody. And then one of them likes ketchup on their bacon, so just like that. All right, so I try to, you know, make it the way they like it. All right, and this is for me, guys. So I'm adding a generous amount of some sauce on my bread, and then I want some lettuce, tomatoes. Ooh, look at that tomatoes. It looks so good. And I'll sprinkle my red onions on it also, and I'll sprinkle some salt and black pepper on my tomatoes, which I love it. And then there's my cheeseburger, guys. Ooh, it's hot. And then my bacon goes on top of it. Delicious, guys. Ooh. All right, guys, comment down below and let me know what you think about the cheeseburgers. And now look at how delicious this homemade cheeseburger looks. It looks like fast food cheeseburger. Delicious. And then we served it with some French fries. And then I'll cut it in half so you guys can see the inside of the burgers. And look at it. It is cooked well. It's delicious. It tastes just like fast food. It is delicious, and the kids got their wish, and now everybody is happy, and they couldn't wait to take a bite. There's my 10-year-old. Oh, and she gets some curly fries with that. Delicious. I think I was the best mom in the world after making their delicious cheeseburgers for them. Everybody was happy, and my daughter Gabby won that little cheeseburger, okay, because she helped me clean up, but she split it with one of her brothers, and that was so nice of her. And guys, the cheeseburger was delicious and amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe and hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. God bless you and stay safe.